conventional rate no omo nya ho adwuma the to so biem no tama Kotoko supporters in Intia say omo mo hwetim no so spend this card players aba the poor attendance no enye tama has players no so omo team na omo kan champion for no say team no omo team mo ntomo jai no pen for nkopen nkofofoforo so omo be ko afi akopom cho say yensa mo kan tama they are playing as if they don't play for House of Folk bono abaka say omo nya has players
no me players
I said me person me ko team na kaka say bia makoka team but I mean there's abas wa ha they should abas support no article first House of Folk supporters na kan na anya abas ma say is has chapters no leaderless chapters every say good chapters so ogu no say the what on say the what on can no pa komo po bi man ko ka bia players be say this is not the
no
tama edu bia ye nya say ne bo has eso bi ka to say nya say ne bo has ni bo nya no nie anomode anomode 207
ko in another bread na musa de be
tama anomode 207 ko FSI adako ja che no
na Liverpool for players na be na Liverpool for kokoka bi che
omo ka bi chira omo omo ka bi chira omo omo di omo matam omo di omo matam edu ba me one because oya we say edu ba bia
50 years one league back edu
akọ the Gillette na that don't fit say the thing omo ko that's why the supporters were angry sack them
supporters look up am
the Gillette no anyone Tom Hicks no
we players
that be wa wo nya wo dey no certain na omo a
omo ka cha omo
omo foku omo no pam omo no ko
na say dem do bi atimi ka bi true bi
tama
me say as supporters and go put
my omo ko catch players say omo team na call
nobody will endorse that
omo team na call because omo yende nya sa na ebo has tama wake up the enyi person qualify ko but media
I mean try with just 2 minutes pena as many raffian right didn't come just for a while
almost okay okay reconciliation
chairman
mama se me kan say reconciliation please omo ntiase omo se me kan kire no
hello
yes sir
okay good chairman out here kai mo ache na ho ye de
o adomi o ya pa na mo so
say na no go e ga ka elections no o de say na wo na ga che ayi minister say on the right foot as wa ban it say o ga so wa dey mbo
o mo be say what me about idea let us say the right foot the foot back let's ministry so on convert
okay
what me about you want to say one mini business and say just a nine back officer dada
wa nyina biem de but de ekoso ba bia ne say game changer o ka say ka so so be impeach no so be den no a ma wo members no bufu ye no o ga ka foko ye meetings o kra wo nyom be imtu no ne nkrofo nkwa na awe ne nti kire say they are on the ground nti say third term o se bibia o mo ana say o mo ko then abeka for
me that say when you check that California let me say the first thing is you know kwatumbium na election no so e kokama the wa Bruno ama wa kuko
azen zen
o so wa from on the ground na wo what you have politics what you ma delegates ni bejino
only at time ma
so ya to the oba win no win na me matiti na me sere and it's the Piazza can form a serious matter, a serious business. You find Dingolago. And then you know, Cassette, you be balloting for Aston, Ghana, account.
They know me.
You know, be home. You know, the matter of a Hagana for Papa. You be a champion to Ghana account.
Chan no sir.
Bill say, oh, Galka election, it's an endorsement. I will say it's a Ghana football for, and not Ghana for, we are endorsing Ducati. I expect AFCON, AFCON balloting. Ghana flag will not fly. The Chandia, Ghana flag will not fly there.
Yes, serious. You need Afghan. You need Chang.
Yes.
Yet the FA president and his people seem to enjoy massive support. I know man is serious.
And yes, and media, Yatra Banesi. A Juma Wow say, ye just uncle, growing, and your friend is saying, yes, we have to live about these things, but at times, this is a amount for hygiene costs of football, me a very serious matter. But it's a year you say, I don't know social media, we share the year call delegations almost for balloting, but it's a Danny Jordan, and the SAFA delegation call Nigeria for coaching, for my family. Now you're broken at the ministry how we are, like Dhaka election. That's a good mention of popularity here. And you will do my pie.
Good. So my time in Television, a China, yeah, the ballot me and didn't come. Okay. Ever for Yama, but I say I'm ready now.
And Cabo Munsu, now, Mr. Jonathan, we or say, but the writing has to be done.
Okay.
For instance, Mr. Kate, me how George Free took it. But me George Free and I will not be happy with the post channel any the way on the Kasaya.
Oh, you be any of you castle.
Me, they may come in him. Said George, on person by me person me catch George say, Ninko for this or try or be whom the basic chroma.
Or try there.
So I try so you sign so called reconciliation. Or better.
No, reconciliation is saying.
No, I don't cross George Shaka, I can't.
Now, George Kate on Toka.
Omo talk about how much share to reconcile.
No, there's a reconciliation.
Yeah, but only the panel within the chino, or no George, only the panel or no within the china, or swear a moment in the only one who being more hell on Quano. Catch a George. Some more on Quano.
One guy.
Me will be out to Bian Cantrene.
Okay.
Obian Cantrene, say, one shot on Quano, only Yahoo can be. Sanebaya, Nippon almost didn't achieve because of Onintino, almost so many Nippon almost so in Coffo, yeah, bread. Sana person me catch
Captain.
Yeah,
as I'm only what to do about it.
of course, sir, I dare so here, you pay the watch and more reactions and I'll take to an amount to an amount.
Nana Momben walking, you know, one I go with the meeting.
Oh, sir, they all can mean who's a meeting, but
it's only a time for an
hour.
Only a time for can they meet and even talk.
Oh, don't make sure.
Nothing, reconciliation, I say, yeah.
Oh, reconciliation, yeah, but so we know on call for. Some call for baby if you agree to how, there's no more customer who the Mugina, as an hour, and I didn't put Nimna, who fit an hour without Uncle Fono, I'll do it, you know, or more.
As a more kind, yeah, can't one family can count, Obiano Biangochi, and I'm just a me Busau. The all can and yes, also didn't pay him.
Oh, there is no question of a main mount, say, you know. I'm so to, league, you know, a bounce back now. It looks like Kotoko and sweaty to get to the top. Because Kotoko and sweaty to get to the top. Proud today is not Kotoko that 10. Two teams are now ahead of Asante Kotoko. Baby any Gold Stars and
automatic question.
Omunina Kotoko, I'm making this strong statement. House of Folk will not and cannot win this year's league. I'm making this strong. House of Folk will not and cannot win this year's league.
Melana Blam here and I will be better to Swana. Bass
oh no, so you look at the team. Me my House of Folk team now.
Have a coach.
Coaching the players.
Where has Kotoko team now? Clearly, it shows Kotoko as some experienced players. House of Folk, young and up and coming players. They are almost target of winning the league. And yes, say. But clearly, who Kotoko say Kotoko person league. And I know starting here from the onset, and the coach made it clear.
There's a point difference there.
4 between House and Kotoko.
Oh, send a monton boy.
No, but what I make us say, oh, now we are watching I'm tired here. You must say, car, Tiffany, come speed.
And you're the crow.
You say, you're the crow. Me who Kotoko team, they say, that Kotoko
speed and home with many freedom. Freedom,
you see, House of Folk team will be good, maybe from next season up going, you know. Maybe. Team no able to make a bomb and I fine. Okay. But Kotoko from the onset, the coach made it clear. That's why almost like all those players. So they wanted a certain players, and you know, time ball that President Cup against House of Folk. Before that, I don't want to coach back and say players are equal to the other one we are better than the other one, and I prove it to be true.
I prove
it to be true. So talk on Omanwe in Kotoko recruitment Omanwe. It almost no more identify baby on physical motoshimo. I know my so you see a mature Asante Kotoko team. For example, I'm not game on boy, so they had it tough. A game Karela by on the city deep and making sure they allow Kotoko to create that openings. No, first half of the day, Kotoko was not up there, but in the second half, you could clearly see a serious Asante Kotoko team that want to win a game. The penalty was a clear penalty. As a result of almost incessant pressure. Not almost the airman. Obi Rafi beg you not send your penalty.
I've seen it elsewhere. As a triple,
it was a passer.
Abbas in your penalty.
There be Abbas. On glasses. On some glass. So it was a clear penalty. So I'm looking for a team in a difficult game. I was say Abbas, you rest second half now. That's how it goes. In a game, the important you find a way to win. You see the point? But how to fuck team will not give you that. And now me flip her. So if you watch House of Folk team now, even Basake was the serious amount between the two teams now. House of Folk were not playing as if a team na prepare to GBB. And I'm not surprised because of the team I'm put up on. And they should let the supporters know the kind of team I'm building. So me free say from next season the team will be good. This year, at least I'm gonna move away from last year. Around last year, this year, at this time, now they were talking about relegation and that stuff. And almost struggle, yeah. This time around on relegation, anyhow, 30 points and House of Folk will as at this time, sitting seats on the league table. Yes, maybe they can make it to the top.
Just 12 points from the top.
Because some candidates, an American intimate fan.
Okay.
What I say, the experience aspect of it,
Okay.
I don't know issue. That's what could call.
All right. Okay.
Now, because manya the course war, baby, I friends a bit no. I've spoken to two teams now. I won't panic for. It wasn't that so serious issue. Said na almost attack Bichim, but instead no, because they were going to attack nation's goalkeeper. What happened was that according to Bichim supporters no, boy who said boy no, I think Bichim nation's goalkeeper could attack a boy who was a local boy, and they felt to say keeper na dia oye enye. It's on poor game no. That was where the supporters no a charge say on be attack Kofi Mensah, who is nation's goalkeeper. Now it brings back to the issue of security in the dressing room. Why should the supporters get the opportunity to enter the dressing room? Why
the supporters don't go dressing room?
Yes, and they try to break almost door. According to almost door require glasses are almost try to come a breaky. There were cracks and that stuff. So but champion phone be almost very phone be by around any nations. Match commissioner was there and ultimately this problem unresolved was a problem. At that time, the information was that there were only 2 policemen. As against numerous supporters, I no more try to come and beat the goalkeeper.
Wow.
That is what happened over there. But to the two teams, no, there's no problem between them. But that's it's normal result. Now, I think we have very interesting.
Yeah, no.
DFA General Secretary, I think more than Ghana, what can I be free? General Secretary, no, he can't be on Michael Osakre. Was it Chief of Staff, Michael Osakre, is an advisor to Kurt Okreku and not GFA. General Secretary, Prosper Harrison Ado.
Okay, we are going to Zaki Tonyano.
Is it the confusion?
Zaki Tonyano. I think he's talking about the also a lawyer. GFA Books Room provided BBR for Chief of Staff. I think this was a title that was given to Georgia Free by Wimpo. I say, question and 32 and with BBR, so he's Chief of Staff. And yet, there's no position. Or GFA, and lawyer.
But as he looks as Secretary is enjoying and he is regarded as such.
Okay, the GFA president as an executive, as an executive president can take certain decisions, but Nina should be within the constitution. But the Mranumu dear, Chief of Staff in your position or GFA.
Also, you see the problem. When
there, I think that's.
And you should be able to make a general secretary or secretary crashing.
No. I don't think that's the issue.
Okay.
Only cash or no general secretary.
On the coffers.
General secretary. On survival.
So, me have games in the beginning. I think that House of Folk, any Basake game, no. Once again, Asare at his best. I think 90+4, so free kick be Basake for the boy. Born no be any born a shave.
Basake na you know.
Gazali, ona
Gazali no.
Yeah, RFA na I got no fence. Onidin Gane. RFA Central Western RFA.
I mean, coach no cry.
Gazali, on the coach no. Very, very, very good team. Played very good football. Very, very good football. And my boy. And so now there was some decision I made. Even though my game nina, let me share bit by page because almost a good man referee no. Also one Jimmy Mantiase corner.
But I don't think they show you.
Go. One shall be a jubilee to be a fake referee. Say
I said bounce on goal line, and they thought it was a goal.
no, no, one day I share. Ama Obian says about referee na GBB. You understand? The referee will stay for something. Eti so Pijan is offside. We are no Pijan is na mizo. Kwana so there. There be the challenge.
That's one with the organ. Anje.
Pijan is my ball no off.
Corner.
Also na corner. Corner the off ni mo.
That is bit my base off no. Na corner ball no ko. And it's a buy.
Na hindi Basake for Oman contest. Oman
challenge.
Dabi, omo challenge here.
No man change.
That can answer.
No tio, because to corner.
Omo jubilate you right, but
O boy no, and a corner free no pinball no, and a ball no. A try line has for queen eyifu omo de omo jubilate. Then the referee raised the hand.
As goal line ni bi.
As to what he wasted for
we were Manchester net na. Goal line that room akwa get to go if
so Majun Mantiase, but I think in all no House of Folk has to improve because such games you know against
Basa has almost improved ya na yasa for. What there are times I remember now what you have to say about the coach and I do episode answer
no say
and answer are we not being do so 4 points from the top.
No say modern bono. You see, people will talk about
last week. Yes, I said, "Nana, it's a Basake Kotoko show, Masi." Okay, I know.
I know. Okay, last
2 weeks.
Say okay, and a week in an sign.
Okay.
So we can okay, sign. Because you know, Kotoko game, no, not too many chances. Coach Nuru came in with a strategy to frustrate the team, no. But I said, "I'm going to you because time now Kotoko first goal, let's share goal, you know. Bona, Karela for boy, you know." So you ask yourself, where was that football? Because he came with a mentality saying, "Me defend it." Until defend it, Kotoko first half no so, but second half the agency and the zone no cause Roma Kotoko put more pressure and omunya penalty share. But after scoring that goal, Bona Karela for boy, you know. Nothing say. Okay, maybe so the goals should have many because Kotoko have a lot of spaces to attack and get the goals. But in all, sometimes games be or what say NBC. And as a supporter, so say, and yet team Kotoko Bechen Okromasia, a better 2, 3, and that's a 4. And see, and yet time NBC. Sometimes you grind the resource, and I think say now that was just well because if you Andra, Kwame Poku didn't get chances. There wasn't like clear chances be as a Kotoko crazy. I wouldn't clear and will be saying no. It's going forward. I think that to this is how they will play based on how Kotoko forward no. This is how most of them will play. It is as to how Kotoko will find a way and grind the results. No, that is the most important thing. Lucky for them, 2 no more money now lost on the road. And winning this game, no, Ebuama at least Kotoko are now first on the league logger. Maybe how Ogum going forward will try to manage and get the team to creating because teams will be based on how Kotoko attack as an they would try to get like close the game. So Emma won't create chances. They will close it. It is a team no close one. How to be able to force and create chances, and they are here. And now Karela played very well. I like how they play, especially after Kotoko share goal. It's Yambo Kotoko about him too for that wonderful win, because they were there, but they forced and got that win.
Kotoko next game,
Okay, you finish. Sorry.
No, we are not about young apostles away.
Oko 2 away me not also.
I think they have supporters some now, but has about 2 away matches and one pick it draw me. And that is why I'm about the 4th position. And yes, Anka has the 2 away. My course amateurs, my Basake.
And these are very difficult games.
Difficult grounds. And they managed to keep a clean sheet in both places. Man consider what Samates, man consider Basake. So now has a befi. But the next game should be a win because
Kotoko Samates.
Kotoko but Kotoko Basake draw.
This is boy you.
Yeah, this year the
This is boy you.
Aboy you but only show mo.
On can see about any break.
Me no mo kasa say say now they have resolved all their issues. Henceforth, will be ready.
Trouble. The conversation is quite simple. The next House of Food game is against Heart of Lions. If House episode bang Komonuma, if fear against Lions, as ocean.
So Lion bit my baby one kind.
As ocean now we Lions, the free Komonum. League, they say the aqua no. If you are fortunate enough, say we see will be a the more our name prayer, I was sending away in a film. And now look at Bichim, Washing Nations. Oh. I'm a big team now pick it. That is what Air has as well. So Atara, I think the pressure be banned so in the next match against Lions.
Okay.
If we went and said yeah. But Kotoko so pick him to two. And the next 4 matches, I can confidently tell is a league, you know. I'm about 50% true. Because the next 4
next 4. And I'm going 50% true.
They said they almost do 20%.
Okay.
Then I say league don't do 20%. Has Kotoko has. Kotoko Samates. Kotoko Nations. Kotoko Gold Stars. So you should understand. If you know the dynamics of the league, have 4 away matches in and even Heart of Lions Kotoko San Kopando. But say Kotoko survive it in Swatremai, young apostles. Brekum Chelsea home. Come to open one of the teams are Omoba Kumasi, Omoba Santi Regional, Omodem Bosso and Nipa, Oba the Brekum Chelsea Beckham. Omotim Besekin face up. This is Omaba Beshe Nations or Boise. Ombeshe Nations or Brankesi. That is how solid our Brekum Chelsea here. Ombaba Kumasi. Then the other one is against Accra Lions. Okay. Those are the next 4 matches of Asante Kotoko. Away Miensa, home back. So much me survive on one to 2. I can tell you, say, next Juma no maybe be 50%.
Okay.
But surviving those matches, you know, is the big question. And right here, Nuruddin, to coach Nuru Achresa when he plays against Kotoko is not easy.
All teams.
But the Kotoko very organized side. And what? And your penalty now it moves Kotoko. Some more find ways of scoring.
Adding.
And excellent movement from Baba. And it's about the next matches.
Okay.
How they can strategize for the next matches.
Okay.
Jojo, as you fair to us. Maybe they may to me say by squad quality. Ode Kotoko Jinaho. Now the has Jinawa. By squad quality no. Betting I can say Kotoko was has. But who analyze it has a folk team now. I think yenye fair kakra this stage to them. Baby I make us yenye fair and say. In the last 5 matches na they boko Kotoko abaso. Say last 5 no Kotoko Lusubi no. The same last 5 matches has in Lusubi. Kotoko ye 2 points better than has in the last 5. And in the last 5 matches no, has about away 2 at Waso. When is that has after their defeat to Kotoko Lusu League game here? May has team way to any position or my surprise. I can't remember. Because sometimes I'm sure has team now. You will play him come say has JC too. Again, he has almost has JC. A ball league in me.
That's all.
Na some matana I criticize Watara. Some if you say if has be coach or don't be do standard normal penalty is not Watara. But almost last 5 games there, problem BNC will be about 2 million. Basake ya
the last 5 games and go for some more.
Maybe oh they ain't checking the last 5 games of the Ghana Premier League. The last 5 games, and I'm gonna say the last 5 games only Kotoko and are picking more points than us. So far the last 5 games table now, Kotoko na that first, has and that second.
Oh, okay.
Nations at that third. Nations
and a Gold Stars.
Gold Stars at that the last 5 games. Gold Stars the 5th.
of the last 5 games. So what them chana say? Eti BBNC Basake ya come masemi. Even the league leaders Kotoko man Jango Basake. So uko Ghana Premier League zoto se uko aboy ekonya draw against Amatesa. So what them chana say? Uko aboy ekonya draw against Amatesa why there. Eti may has players or more any position no more than any they see last season no a big improvement. BBNC here. And now me ko baba yara ko hwe Kotoko game ni bi. Na zoto it wasn't a game make us say especially in the first half Kotoko etimi create chances be more mo. But there be make us say the mark of a good coach any coach already game and say game here there you need a coach to change the game either through substitution and I said don't be first about my ball. Enra Karela team no me buy na. The first thing decided some be and say the compactness of their defense. Won't mean break a defense line no. And how quicker minim omu coach no wakwa wadi be say ho.
Yeah, be 2 weeks so.
Oh yeah, good coach.
No there.
Oh yeah, good coach. Yemfa ye ninko no because that short time now what change it to the mentality and how they play. The double pivot to too. Their speed, their ball control, how quicker move to support their 2 center backs. It's who attack omo 4 center backs and 2 wingers. By the Ogumye in the second half, and I say the normal Kotoko na you in the first half now players nijina ball so channel. In the second half, it was 1 touch passing. Using the wings. And who use wings now? The children say, "Ube expand the play. Who expand the player? Ebe be omo defense nim." And say defense ni bia and too sure. Baba ya rapanet na onya no. Or your first one ben the defender na fa na aka no. And a ball go kick. By the second one, our koye no, how Kotoko stretch omo defense no. And using quick passing through their method, especially Abrante we there. Mzoto say them see criticizing on so yeah then my money abaso be me ya team men. Very underrated. Most informed player in Kotoko JC this season.
Good.
I'm saying games I'm having this season mean count more than 2 when you're good game. Even when Kotoko struggle. Now I see I can about players or motor, but there is one thing that we say we shouldn't take it away from Kotoko MC no. And yes, last year Kotoko ni players who. Say by Ghana Premier League standards, see the Morrison Jinonia the team menu jina time abeyi Morrison. Yeah the Lamte Jinonia the Baba ye jina wa obeyi Lamte. By last year, no problem. I never want to say there was a communication gap between the players and the coach, and because of coach in the position, now yet the IMC members seem to be on the room no matter.